Hello, this is Ryan Cardula, and I am your instructor for Internet Administration, which is EDL852. I want to give you a little bit of an overview and welcome you to this class. I want to go through our resources that you have available to you. So I'm going to start off here by looking at the Fort Hays State University webpage. And from there, we're going to click on Blackboard, which will take us into our Blackboard site. And it may ask you to log in, maybe you have to use your username and password, but from here I'm going to find our class, which is right here, and I'm going to click on it. And then once I click on it, it'll take us into our class homepage, which should populate to the announcement or go to the announcements page. And this announcement is the one you got an email earlier a few days ago that asks you to send me an email and also click on the Google Plus community. So we use Blackboard for a couple of things. We use it to share your grades. So here's your grades. Click on that and your grades will be in there. We use it to access the Google Plus community. We use it to access the course shell. And I use it a little bit to share announcements. But primarily I'll make announcements via email or via the Google Plus community. It also has a place for the world's largest Google Help Desk and also your building leaders Google Plus community. I believe these are in all the Blackboard courses now. So from here, we're going to go out and take a look at a few things. We're going to start off with our course shell. So click on your course shell, and that'll populate out to our course shell, which has information. There's a couple of places I want to point out to you here. There's a couple of things I want to point out to you here. And the first thing is, this is my area. I'm Dr. Ryan Cardula. So if you click on this link, there's a picture of me. Here's my contact information. So if you need to email me, there's my email address. Here's my cell phone number. If you need to call me, go ahead and do that. I also do text and things like that. You can also get to the assignment calendar and the Google Plus community from this page. I'm going to click on the assignment calendar right here on this link, over here, and it'll populate out our assignment calendar, which you can see the class begins on Monday. Our introductory video is due on Thursday. Our Module 2 is due on Sunday, and etc. And you can also add this calendar to your Google Calendar page on your personal email. So you can do that right here. From here, we're going to go out, we're going to look at the Google Plus community. Actually, before we do that, we should probably take a look at the modules. So let's do that. So if you click on the modules link, it'll take you out to your modules. You should read this information about the modules, some expectations. If you go over and click on Module 1, it'll give information about Module 1, like this is your introductory video, so it asks for your name, your position, experience, etc. If you want to get to Module 2 from this page, you can click on Module 2, and Module 2 is a meet and greet. Module 3, I believe, is a module about your learning style, so you're kind of getting the idea of how to find your modules. So from here, let's go to the Google Plus community, which is where we're going to actually post your information that you are creating. So I'm going to click back on Blackboard, and I'm going to go to Google Plus Community. And sometimes when you click that community link, you'll get that 404 error, which is caused by having multiple email accounts open. It's always best practice to close all your personal email accounts and just have 4 days open when you're working on these kind of things. And within the Google Plus community, there are several links, like there's several areas here or places you post. So we have journal information, which is where I'll post like videos to help you, like here's a screencast-o-matic video, here's the video that Dr. Moody created that talks about multiple accounts, problem solved, which will solve that 404 error. And many of you who have problems, who've gotten it, I've said this to you and you've watched it and you've fixed the problem yourself, so you've done a great job. You click on Module 1, that's where you'll post Module 1. As you can see, here's mine, and Bill posted his, and I responded to Bill. And this is where you'll post your Module 1 introductory videos. Now, a little trick on this is when you make your videos and you put them in YouTube and post them, you're going to want to try to get them posted in the Google Plus community. So the easiest way to do that is to click on what do you want to share, type in your information, this is your intro. Then if it's a YouTube video, what I usually do is at this point I will post it. I will paste it and allow it to load in here. Notice this is Alex Steele. He's a Forged and Fired guy, so I like to watch his videos. But just an example. But if you click the video there, if you put in a YouTube video there and hit enter, it'll actually load it. Then click post, you'll have to choose where you want to post. So click module 1, and then now notice it's sitting here. I don't really want it there, so I'm going to delete it. And yes, I want to delete it. So it's going to go away. But anyway, that's how you would post your videos to get them to actually load properly. So there's a couple other things within this community that I want to share with you. If you click on About this community, you'll be able to get a link to the course shell, to the assignment calendar. That's pretty helpful. So if you click on this link right here, it will actually populate a big screen of the calendar. If you click on the shell, it'll actually take you back out to our course shell. So there's some very good navigational pieces within this Google community. So again, I'm excited to get to work with you. If you have problems, please let me know. I'm here to help. Thanks a lot.